Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of December. So we've been seeing a huge dip in the past, couple of days, but the market is recovering a little bit here over the weekend. As we wake up on Sunday, the market is up about 5.73%. We see our top gainer in the past 24 hours, which is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So Luna is up about 33.64%, making a nice move here, trading at about $73 right now per coin. So this one has been on a massive run here in the past week. This one is up over 67%. So before this little crash we had, it was trading at $70. We pulled back down to about 54, and then from that $54 range, it shot on up about 35% or so. In the past month, this one's up 41%. So, Luna continues to push on higher and higher. This is our, huge momentum play right now. That's going to be Luna, and definitely one that we've been talking about. So if you missed out yesterday's video, go check out that video because we talked about Luna in yesterday's video. We have our highest volume here, which is going to be Bitcoin. So Bitcoin at 39.6 billion here in volume. Ethereum at 28.2. Bitcoin's up about 5.5%, trading at around 49,000 to 50,000. It's been running around this 49,000 area for a few hours now. We see our Ethereum here up about 8.5%, outperforming, up about to $4,200 right now per coin. So Ethereum is still holding pretty smoothly. It's only down $600 from the all-time high area. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's around $20,000 away from the all-time area. So Bitcoin has a lot more ground to make up compared to where Ethereum is right now. Then we have all the altcoins. They're all up between 5, 10, 15% or so, depending on which one we're looking at. Binance up 5%. We see Solana up 4%, Cardano 2%, Ripple's up 7%. Like we said, Luna is up 35% right now. Even the Dogecoin meme right here is up about 8%, trading at around 18 cents. Avalanche and Shiba about 5% or so. Polygon here up 19%. Crypto.com 9%. That's another one we talked about in yesterday's video as well. And then we see all these other altcoins, 5 or 10% or so, with some, metaverse plays here making a recovery. Sandbox was up about 10%. Decentraland here 18%. Algorand down there at 15%. So coins are definitely moving right now, and there's going to be definitely opportunities for any dip buying opportunities. I feel like investors are loading up very, very quickly, and we're, covering up those, gaps. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be a metaverse play. It's going to be Decentraland, so Mana here made a huge pullback. It was trading at around $3 or so, and that was a great opportunity to buy in my opinion. Now it is up about 15%, trading at $3.84. In the past week, we saw those lows at about $2.83. That was, in my opinion, a great opportunity for anybody that missed out in the beginning because they went from $5.20 all the way down to lows of $2.80. That was a great opportunity, in my opinion. Huge dip buying opportunity on, Mana from highs of about $6. So that was about a 50% drop from the high to the low. In the past month, we're still up 53%. In the past year, 171.3%. Market cap currently is going to be at around 7 billion. 2.9 billion in volume. Typical hold time is going to be 16 days. Popularity ranking is going to be the number 22nd coin on the list. 77% buy, 23% sell activity. Decentraland is an Ethereum token that powers the Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual lands or virtual plots of land in Decentraland as well in world goods and services. So obviously, as the metaverse grows and we see pullbacks like this, in my opinion, any pullback that we see lower than your average cost price, in my opinion, could be an opportunity to buy and load up because, 5, 10, or 15 years from now, I believe that this metaverse stuff is going to boom and, Decentraland is going to be one of those coins that is going to rocket on higher and higher, in my opinion. So it's definitely a coin that I'm, looking forward to adding on dip buying opportunities. And if we see any more, definitely load up and, hold them for long term, in my opinion, personally. So we'll see what happens with that. Now, before we get into the second altcoin, let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles, which is something that we like to cover. So crypto bubbles here, it just shows you in the past week which coins are up and which coins are down. So we can see, what's going on. So right here, we see that GX Chain is up over 405% still in the past week. We have here Cortex, which is up 136%. We have at Mobox, which is 44%. Obviously, Luna being one of the big winners here, 63% or so. We have another one here, Contentos, 56%. Matic, also known as Polygon, is up 37%, which is a surprise to me. It came out of nowhere, in my opinion. We obviously have AnySwap here, 19%, but there's a lot more red compared to green that we're seeing on this list, guys. And personally, that's not a good sign right now, but dip buying opportunity wise, yeah, that's a good sign in my opinion on that, if you're looking at it that way. So definitely interesting to see what's going to happen here in a few days and going into end of 2021. Are these, cryptos going to come back up? Are we going to see a more bigger sink? I guess it depends what's going to happen in the next week or so in the stock market as well and how that's going to affect the crypto market. So those are the crypto bubbles right now. Let's get into the second altcoin. It's going to be Polygon, also known as Matic, one of the big runners here in the past 24 hours. It is up 19%, trading at $2.16. In the past week, this one is up over 34% with highs of $2.40 and then lows down here about $1.68. Great dip buying opportunity once again. In the past month, we're up over 13%. Past year, 10,870%. So if it wasn't for this, mini crash that we saw here on Thursday and Friday, this coin was on a nice run here. It was going from these lows and started to break through previous resistance areas and push on higher and higher. We could have possibly been at that 268 all-time high area once again. So we were trying to get to that area, and then the market pretty much screwed us over. We pulled back down. Now the market cap is at 15.3 billion. We would have been close to 20 billion market cap at the all-time highs. Volume is down actually a little bit at 3.6 billion. 69-day typical hold time right there is ranked at number 11 coin. 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity. Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that are run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay for transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So Polygon is one of those greener coins that people are looking forward to. Obviously, when we had that whole situation with Elon Musk and Tesla in April and May, that's when Polygon kind of took off, pulled back down, took off again, and then the market sold off. It seems to be a similar situation here. The market, kind of sold off as it was trying to break through. So it's like the market always pretty much, stops this coin from moving on higher when it wants to go higher. So we're going to be watching this one closely to see what's going to happen with this one as well in the upcoming, weeks and months. So Polygon, definitely one of those greener coins that's on my radar. Then we have number 3. The third altcoin is going to be Algorand, Algo. So this one is up about 12% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.72. In the past week, this one's up 2%, with lows down here of about $1.40 and highs of over $2 at one point. In the past month, this one is actually down 7%. In the past year, we're up 401%. So it was trading at 30 cents last year. We hit highs in February, pulled back down, tried to break through, couldn't break through, pulled back down with the market to lows down here about 70 cents. Took off here with highs in September at 238, pulled back down. We consolidated here for about 2 months or so, and then we're trying to break through this resistance. If we can break through this resistance area at around 230, that's going to be a great sign obviously for Algorand to run. 10.8 billion market cap currently. Volume is down 27% at 525.7 million. Typical hold time is going to be 47 days. It is ranked at number 16 coin. 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity. Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. So another one here that's trying to make a run, and we're going to be watching if the market is going to allow that to happen. Pretty much same as Polygon. As it tries to break out, the market kind of just sold off. So it's just bad timing in my opinion. And I think that this one could definitely continue to move on higher in the upcoming months and has more potential. So those are going to be our 3 altcoins right now, guys. Now, let's take a quick look at the rest of the market, see how it's performing. Solana trading under $200, like we said. The meme coins here, Shiba and Doge making a little bit of a recovery. Doge is trading under 20 cents, which is something crazy, something we talked about recently that, Doge could be the end of it. We saw it hit lows down here about 13 cents, which is insane. Remember when I said if Doge goes under 20 cents, it's going down to the teens and possibly even 10 cents? Well, we hit lows of 13 cents, which is insane. It continues to sell off here in the past month or so. And this downtrend is definitely not a good sign for Dogecoin traders. I know the Dogecoin millionaire, he still believes in his Dogecoin that it's going to come back up. He should have sold a long time ago and been a millionaire, but he continues to be a hard-headed person and hold those coins, in my opinion. But that's obviously just my opinion. He does whatever he wants, but I think that he made a huge mistake personally. The rest of the market here, Bitcoin up 4%, like we said, from the lows. Trying to make a little bit of a move here in the upside. In the past week, we're down 9.5%, hitting a lows of about 42,000 at one point, which was insane. People definitely loaded up on that dip, and it came back up very quickly to 48,000. In the past month, we're down 20% almost. In the past year, we're up 157%. Now, when we zoom out and look at this in the past year, Bitcoin is not performing that well. There's many altcoins that are performing way better than Bitcoin is right now. 933.8 billion market cap. 32% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin. Volume is down 36% compared to the day prior. 86% buy activity, 14% sell activity. Many people are buying the dip right now, loading on up for the run. Ethereum, here it's up about 7.5%. In the past week, we're up 3%. So Ethereum was trading around 4,500 before it crashed, pulled back down to lows of 3,500. So anybody that loaded up on this Ethereum dip is, living life and loving life right now, because it's up about 15%. 17% from the low right here just a few days ago in a matter of 24 hours. So 15 or 20% gain in 24 hours. That's insane on Ethereum right there. In the past month, this one's down 6%. Past year, we're up over 607%. So once again, this one like 3x, 4x what Bitcoin has done in the past year, which is great. We're still in this little pattern here, up and down, consolidating area around this 3,800 to 4,500 area. So that's a positive sign with Ethereum. It's hopefully going to break through. 501.9 billion market cap, 17% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 31%, lower than usual. 79% buy activity, 21% sell activity. Ethereum looking solid here, in my opinion. Way better than Bitcoin, in my opinion, as well. So I'm hoping that Ethereum continues to push on higher, and we continue to see Ethereum grow as Bitcoin stays stable or even pulls back down. And eventually, I'm hoping for that flipping to happen and Ethereum take that #1 spot away from Bitcoin. That's going to be a great day in history, in my opinion. So, guys, let me know in the comments below, what are you doing right now with your cryptocurrencies? Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Like we said, I am not a financial advisor, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Have a great weekend.